Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am in the pool with these water guns. We're gonna check these things out and see how they are. This is the Shooter Play 3-pack, quick refill, pump to fire, and easy handle. And it looks like it's basically the same stuff on the back. So we're gonna check these things out. Comes with this color one, whatever that is. I think that might be green, and then a blue one, and red maybe, I don't know. Okay, but that's it. So let's check these things out and see how they work. There you go, Alec. There you go, Karen. And let's check these things out. So see how we do it here. So we open it up, fill it up. Seems pretty easy enough. They are shooting each other already. And then, I don't know how to, there we go. I don't know where I can lean this. And let's put it right here. Okay, let's see how these things work. Oh man, that goes far. Check it out. Shoot the roof. Ah! Dude. I win. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like it. And pick up this. I'm going to put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.